Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add and merge multiple calls into a conference call on your iPhone. To get started, open and make your first call to someone like you normally would. When the first person is on the line, inform them that you're going to be adding another caller because when you do this next step, it's going to put them on hold. On the call screen here, tap Add Call. Search through your contacts, recents, or manually type the number of the second person that you want to add to the call. Once they answer and you have them on the line, tap the Merge Calls button. This will then merge the people that you have on the two lines. You can then add more people from here if you'd like. When you're done, you can either end the call like normal, but if you want to end the call for specific people but keep others on the line, tap the blue eye icon next to the contact's name at the top. You'll then be able to end individual calls from here. And that's how you add and merge calls on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.